Hello friends, thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Elantra Hyundai 2018 car's battery. So this is the car key, and after 1 year or 1.5 year, according to your uses, you need to change your battery. So first of all, you can see the little button, you have to press that and get the key out. So this is the front side and this is the back side. So you have to remove the back side to change battery. So I'm going to use a sharp object. So when you're using this sharp object, just be careful, don't hit your hand. So if you're going to open the first time, it's a little bit hard for you. Yeah, sometimes it's sticky, so you need to apply some force. Yeah, do it again. Okay, yeah, here we go. Finally, yeah, you can see this is the inner side of your car key. You can see the round battery. So we are going to change this one. So you have to remove this one. This is the old one. Just be careful. So when you're removing this battery, just be careful, don't this is the best way. Use this sharp object and so replace that it again. When you're replacing the battery, just make sure the all sides correct and equal. If you feel the battery is not equal, not at their level, it will not work properly. So try again and again until it's properly work. You can see. Here we go. Right now you can see all the sides are properly clicked, and you can also hear the sound. So this is the most important sound you have to listen before. Okay, so now we are going to cover this battery again, but I'm going to show you all the inner parts. So this is our keypad, and there is the plastic object we are putting between the keypad and one of the electronics thing, so that can work properly. So the reason I'm going to show you, sometime if you accidentally fell that thing, so you can manage, and you know that how you can fix that as well. So just cover that again and listen. Okay, so just make sure you're doing in the correct way. When you hear that sound, so that means it's fully covered. Okay, just press all the sides until it's fully locked and put the key back again. Here we go. So right now you have a new battery. It's good for another 1